Well, hello, this is me, of course, Isaiah Woodstock. And actually, I'm doing pretty well, actually, because my voice is a bit sore, yeah. But this is part two. Did you know that it's part two of farts? It's part two. It's part two, so, we're gonna be, not farts, burps. Burps. Part two of burps. I'll do. Pretty much, it's really easy to do. Um, um, and I like my burps. Don't you have to know that? I'm retired. So that's pretty much also part two about burps. Burps. Burps are the best. It's a bit of light in the way. And I understand that all of you guys knowing the burps are the best. Pretty much it's better. All the time. Trying to make these burps even better. All the time. These burps are what everything needs. I'm gonna say what's new. And I'm doing burps. So pretty much that's how it is doing that one. So we will be ending this video. But I've been showing you part two of burps. You guys been waiting until you guys could see burps. Like burps again, I said, but I added a lot of other videos. Pretty sure tomorrow I'm uploading another video and it'll be about burps. Okay, bye.